Now I done scratched out private information, but as you can see, we're going to unbox this together. As you can see, I got it from Delia. It's hard to pronounce it. Excuse me if I'm saying it wrong. Little packing slip. It's probably not as pretty as it would have been if it was packed from YSL itself. But this is how it comes. And these are my very first lip glazes from YSL. These are the two that are inside the box. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do a review of the lips just yet. I'm gonna wait until I get my hair and everything done, obviously, and then we'll come back and do a review of the lips. But coming out the box, they have them wrapped up separately. This one is obviously 2. It's gonna go on like a regular balm gloss. And then let's open up the other color that comes in the box. So this was the Healthy Glow Plumper. And then this one is Showcasing Nude. Because if I tell you the numbers, you're not gonna. Showcasing Nude. So I still got my 2. My duo. My Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick. They still have them in stock. Make sure you get yours.